Yeah, yeah. Congratulations today, a great result.
Yeah, very, very important result, because I think we have to credit all the team, because they perform well, and I think if you see the statistic of the game, if you see the game properly, we see the defender make a big game today, and Joe Ward make a fantastic save, and after that, I think we get an option to win. Yeah.
Absolutely, and a fantastic goal from yourself. You must be very pleased with that.
Oh yeah, very pleased for the win, because for me the most important we have to keep in going, and try to win all our game as possible, because we know now United is in the top of the spot now, and we have 12 win again, minus 12 win, and I think now the most important we have to keep in going, keep in hard, and we don't in the future, because the football and the sport we can say it's finished, and for this football club and for the fans we don't have to give up now.
Do you think, this was one of the best performances this season so far?
I don't think so, but we needed to make the big performance today, because Chelsea is a big club, big team, big player, and we don't have to leave in more space. And I think that's why I said the team make a fantastic work today. The three midfielder in front, Milner, Garcia, and Rodwell in the defense. My brother Nastasic Kolo, Gael, and I think Joe Ward. We did make a great job, today to try to save to stay clean sheet. Yeah.
Absolutely, and a fantastic penalty save as well from Joe.
Yes, it was very important. I think it was the moment. I think it was the big moment of the game, because we know if you look the statistic, Lampard never lost penalty like that, and I think full credit to Joe had make a fantastic save, and after that I give one power more, and to continue to keep it going, and I think today was a big performance for all the team, and I'm very proud for that.
And the gap now is back to 12 points with Manchester United. What are your thoughts on the title race?
Oh, it's very important. I think we have 11 games remaining, and I think in the sport we never know what's going to happen in the future. And we know we have a big calendar, more difficult than them, but we have to continue to keep working, doing our job. Try to win much as possible, not let any point away. And that's I think is going to be the key for the rest of the season.